Are salt-free water softeners worth it? It's a question many homeowners ponder when considering water treatment options. Traditional water softeners use salt to remove minerals like calcium and magnesium from hard water, but they come with their drawbacks. High maintenance, salt discharge, and potential health concerns have led many to explore salt-free alternatives. Salt-free water softeners use a different approach, such as template-assisted crystallization or chelation, to prevent mineral buildup without adding sodium. While salt-free systems don't offer the same level of softening as traditional ones, they are often preferred for their ease of maintenance and eco-friendliness. Salt-free systems are a great option for those looking to reduce their environmental impact and avoid the hassle of adding salt regularly. Ultimately, whether a salt-free water softener is worth it depends on your priorities. If you value convenience, eco-friendliness, and minimal maintenance, a salt-free system might be the right choice for you. So, before making a decision, weigh the pros and cons to determine which option best suits your needs. In conclusion, the decision to invest in a salt-free water softener hinges on various factors, including your preferences, lifestyle, and environmental concerns. While traditional salt-based systems are effective at softening water, they often come with maintenance challenges and environmental drawbacks. On the other hand, salt-free alternatives offer a convenient, eco-friendly solution that appeals to many homeowners. Make the switch to salt-free water softening for a cleaner, greener home. Whether you're aiming to improve water quality, reduce sodium intake, or minimize your carbon footprint, exploring salt-free water softener options could be a step towards achieving those goals. Remember, informed decision-making is key to finding the right water treatment solution for your household's needs. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on home improvement and water treatment solutions.